There's never been an event where every single teacher has brought something new, just something that you never thought you'd learn.
We've just had Andy and he was really inspirational.
It was also really good because he taught us how we should give energy and be confident in the moves that we do.
To be able to finish off Hip Hop Don't Stop by just enjoying the music and being with our group who we've spent this time with, and we love each other, and it's awesome.
I've learned so many different moves today, different ways of doing them and different directions, and working with different partners and catching their vibe as well.
It was amazing! Amazing, that's all I can say, amazing.